Hey guys, we're
back again
back.
with another video, and this time it is Kufuji Kaze's Hachiko. So
Hachiko.
it is the official video, so let's
Yeah.
get going with the video.
Let's go.
I'm very excited.
Hachiko, Hachiko. Let's go.
Hachiko, Hachiko. Can you turn down the volume a little bit?
Exactly.
Yeah,
Let's
thank
play.
you, thank you.
Hachiko, Hachiko.
I think it didn't work. It sounds too much.
Yeah. Have to just.
Yeah, just do that. Yeah, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah, no, it's okay.
Ooh.
Okay,
What?
okay.
What he is wearing right now?
It's like
Is Fujikaze always making me wonder how he do that stuff? This kind of
I don't
costume.
know. It is it a fly or
I
a
don't know.
dog
Or a bug.
bug? What is it?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh wow, it's trippy.
Yeah.
It's trippy.
It's trippy.
What is he supposed to be?
He's look like just like modern day Jesus, you know,
Yeah, it's like
Zenzi kind of
Jesus.
Jesus.
Yeah. If Jesus was born in the
We are
time of
not
Gen
mocking
Z
him,
era.
but we are just having just fun with it.
Yeah,
That's
because
it.
it is seems like that. I mean,
Yeah.
look from the back, look from the font. He got nice little sneakers,
Yeah.
then nice glasses as well, like specs. So yeah, what would you think? It is that only. I don't know. Yeah, look at him. It's like all
Yeah.
cool vibes and
Yeah.
carefree vibe. Um, in this case, what is supposed to be?
I don't know.
He also is leashed.
Love this.
He's completely like bondage situation.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Something different
Yeah.
than other music video.
Yeah, very different.
Ooh.
Oh,
I love this. I
I
really loving it. Ooh,
Okay,
glitching.
glitch in the matrix. Um,
Ooh.
um, it's trippy.
Yeah, it's more like
Oh,
he's in another dimension or something.
He broke free.
Yeah.
In the what oasis or something
Yeah.
like that. Why is he going back? Um.
Woo! Waiting for me. Loving it.
Okay.
Then what?
Um.
What you gonna do about it?
I don't know.
This is going good.
So confused.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Blizzard, blizzard.
You can pick whether you like to do anything that satisfies your soul.
Oh, this is giving me anime vibe. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's giving weird vibe, honestly.
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah.
Iko hachiko doko ni iko hachiko doko ni iko hachiko.
Oh, this slow motion shot looks good. How they made it, I don't know. How they produce this kind of stuff, I don't know.
They made this by using
VFX,
the water
but
and
how,
all.
what is the behind the scenes stuff?
Like,
What is the story behind it?
if they tell you that, then it wouldn't be a mystery, right?
Yeah, that
It
could
wouldn't be
be.
a mystery anymore. Oh wow! Oh wow! Wait, what? Everything is getting torn.
Yeah.
Oh what?
They are together.
It's like that sign, like
Yeah.
the circle where this and this, one side is white, one side is black, like this thing,
Yeah.
and then there are two dots. One in the black, it's a white dot. In the white, it's a black
Black
dot,
dot.
and it's a whole thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's kind of that sign. I guess like balance of dark and black and white.
Black and white.
The balance of black and white is necessary. Mainly, it resembles like balance, I guess. But yeah. The patiently waiting for me.
Wow, they're together. Ever after.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh my god, that thing
The-
looked suspicious. Weirdly suspicious. Look at it. Again. For you. It's suspicious.
Yeah.
Like,
It's more
what
like
is it?
reborn.
No, what is it? What is this thing in the bathtub, bro?
Yeah,
Like,
he's just dreaming.
it looks like a kind of weird solution, and also you can call it wax or something like that.
Yeah.
Like when wax is not really hardened, you can
Yeah.
call it that, but it's suspicious, bro. Suspicious enough. Dun, 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 dun. What it's supposed to be, I don't understand.
Comment down below, guys. What is the story behind it?
I
What is this
really
concept?
don't
All of this thing?
understand the
I don't
concept
know.
of the costumes, to be exact. I
Yeah.
get the song, it has a lot of meanings, I get it, but
What about the costumes?
yeah. Oh, there is also gray one.
Yeah.
Where did the gray one came from? It
We-
just popped right
We
out.
are actually grey.
Yeah, that's fine, but where did it came from? Like popped right out like that? Just like that?
I don't know.
God knows. And also he knows.
So good.
Yeah. Is it supposed to be devil or kind of like that? This is a good one. This is the devilish
The
one.
devilish
That's
one.
us. The grey one.
Yeah.
Oh, everything is. Oh, okay. It's in his head,
Yeah.
and he's
He's
just
just
a
dreaming,
worker.
daydreaming. Or in trance or something. I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, guys. This is-
Lucid dreaming.
Yeah.
Snitch. Yeah, there. Look, Stitch. Like
Lilo
the
and
Lilo and
Stitch
Stitch. The
movie.
Stitch.
Yeah.
There's the Stitch. Yeah. Anyhow,
Love
guys,
it.
it was good, but honestly, I don't know the resemblance of the
Yeah,
costume really,
me too.
and they are very weird.
Yeah.
If you want to put it in one word, it's weird. Honestly, it is. So I really want to know about the costumes. Like,
Me
what do
too.
they mean? What is it like? What they were supposed to be? I love the song. It has a lot of meanings. Truly, it has a lot of meaning. But yeah.
But I wanted to know what is the meaning behind the song and also the story, all of it. I don't
Yeah,
know.
thank
Man,
you so much,
please
and comment down if you're still watching. Do comment down and let us know. We will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos in the channel. Till then, you can do 3 things: subscribe, comment down below, and also do like. We'll see you in the next video.